Hello guys, welcome. To this video we are discussing sell or hold of the Paws token. Now first of all, I must say congratulations to everyone that have received their token. I don't know when you are watching this video. I would like to know how much profit did you make from Paws. Are you selling or are you holding? Now in this video I'm going to be discussing a detailed fundamental analysis as touching the developers of Paws token. So please make sure what you pay attention, and as well if you are seeing this channel for the very first time, please make sure what you like, you comment and you subscribe, and ensure you find your way down to my Telegram channel. If you want to join my Telegram channel, the link is in the pinned comment of this video, as well as the description box. On my Telegram channel I teach people how to trade and how to participate in different web3 projects so that you can actually earn money and make profits. You can see this was actually a web3 project and we earn over heading to 400 USDT. You can also earn around 250 USDT weekly through trading, and you can also be participating in different web3 airdrop project as far as token adoption is concerned, not your regular Telegram project that you do and at the end of the day you receive premium dust or there's nothing reasonable to write home about. There are different web3 projects here that you can see right on my Telegram channel. You can see this one, it has like the same narrative of like so value. You can see this one. So make sure you find your way to my Telegram channel. There are many more. Even as this season, there's something most people do not know as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. It is in the bearish market that millionaires are made. Most likely when the market is down, that's the time you take position before the bull run comes in. So quickly now let's go, because I want to discuss our fundamental analysis on Paws Airdrop. Now like I said, I made a previous video while I was talking on how much you can earn on Paws Airdrop. Now what pulled my attention as far as Paws is concerned is their partnership with this particular developers, which is what the Meteora AAG. Now these guys were actually it's a DeFi platform that provide liquidity and enables users to be able to trade, sell and do whatsoever as far as do majorly their attention is on liquidity. You understand? So this what this platform actually provides. It enables users to be able to borrow, sell their assets and make it tradable. You understand? So like I always say on cryptocurrency, I said whenever a token is being issued out, the community that are participating in that token adoption are at the bottom line, while the developers are there to make profits and top the chart. Now why I say Paws is going to be a good hold is that most likely I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but most likely when they launch, I don't expect the price to go too high because they want to reduce the sell pressure. You understand? Most as we are at the bearish market, every cryptocurrency are finding a way to reduce the sell pressure and have a buy pressure, because when the sell pressure is just a simple arithmetic. When the sell pressure is much, the price of that token begins to water down a little bit, but when the buy pressure is high, the value begins to increase. That's the principle of demand and supply. Demand comes in place whereby people are buying, but when there is too much sell of that token, it disorganizes the chart and in terms drop the price, and Paws will not be wanting such a thing in this period that we are in the bearish markets, knowing fully well that these guys do not have any VC in their platform. They don't have any venture capital. What are venture capitals? These are actually investors. They can be individuals or group of individuals that actually invest in crypto projects. So far so good. They don't have any venture. It is just something that these developers are doing on their own. So I believe that Paws is going to be a good hold on the long run. Now how are you going to hold this Paws and how is it going to be profitable? Now it depends on how much you are holding. You understand? If you are holding something that is less than 100,000 worth of Paws, then depending on the price, it's because I'm making this video before the launch, depending on the price that this token is being launched at. If you are holding anything less than 100, what you are holding is not tangible, because the circulating supply is around 50 billion. So when the bigger whales, people with bigger allocation begin to sell theirs and yours is just very little, so most likely you are not going to make any reasonable profit. The principle of holding a token, it is when you hold much bags of it. So if anybody has an allocation of around 100,000 and above, I'm going to advise you to hold a little, heading towards the month of, let's say, when we're heading towards the month of April, May and June, because that is when the bull run is about to kickstart. And I believe Paws might be one of the champions on the Solana blockchain as far as Telegram airdrops are concerned that are going to have a good bullish move. So if you are holding it, we say hold a percentage and sell a little. You can either sell a little and buy back the dip, because we're still expecting another dip. We're still expecting another dip on BTC, because Bitcoin is actually the chief captain of every other cryptocurrency, and whereby as at the last time we had the bull run, we had it from Ethereum when Ethereum began to go bullish, that was when we had other coins began to pump, and that was when we had the effect, the moon of the Shiba Inu as at around 2021. You could remember Shiba Inu is under Ethereum blockchain, you understand? So as at that time, the narrative of the bull run was actually kickstarted through what Ethereum. That was a signal for other coins. But what I'm saying here is that, in short summary, is that depending on your allocation, that is what is going to determine if you are going to hold this or you are going to sell off. If you are holding something, if what is being allocated to you is below 100,000, I'll just advise you sell it off and position yourself for something much more bigger, because at the end of the day, when the price of this token goes very high, the people with bigger allocation will sell it. So when the people with bigger allocation sell off, you must understand that as far as cryptocurrency is concerned, there is what we call the buy and the sell pressure. Now when the people with bigger allocation sell off their own bags, the price is going to drop down, you understand? Because once there is much sell pressure on a particular cryptocurrency, it begins to affect the chart and it begins to drop down, you understand? And with Paws having a circulating supply of around 50 billion circulating supply, that's quite much. It's quite much. It looks as if it's compressed, but it is quite much. So there are people that are most likely they must have bought during the pre-market, or they actually have a lot during the allocation that was given to them. So if what you are holding is not something that is that reasonable, and depending on the price that they launch, so even though they launch at a price of even $1, which is not possible, because for them to be launching at a price of $1, that means they should be having a market cap of around 50 billion, which me and you know that's not possible. So it is only possible if they have a lot of VC, a lot of massive funding generated for the project, which clearly we know they don't have. Even our Pi network had they started at around, they are around a 10 billion market cap or so. I think they are number 11 on the cryptocurrency chart. So we're not even expecting Paws to even go anywhere close to that, because that's actually a lot of money to start with. So what I would advise anyone that actually has a very low allocation is for you to just sell off that bag. But if you have any allocation around 100,000 and above, I could just say, okay, just sell a part of it and leave a part. All this will be dependent on how much they actually launch. But if they launch on a price that is not that reasonable, you could still hold on for a while if there's going to be a little pump, and then you sell off. But before then, I'm still going to drop a little update on my Telegram channel as touching giving people advice, or will I say like a signal for them to either sell or for them to hold. So if you want to get such signal from me, please make sure you still find your way around to my Telegram channel, because I'm going to still be dropping steady information for my community members for them to sell, so you don't actually enter into a loss. So what I'm actually drumming and sounding is that if your allocation is very little, there is no point holding. You understand? There is what we call whales in the market. Whales are people that have a lot more allocation of a particular cryptocurrency. You understand? If these guys bag a lot and they begin to sell, you won't believe what is going to happen. You understand? A coin might be at even $1, but when people have a lot of allocation of that token and they start to sell off, right, they have a lot as far as the circulating supply is concerned. Remember my previous video, I talked about circulating supply and market cap. Once they begin to sell, what will happen is that sell pressure will affect the price of that token, and it's going to drop. A coin can go down from as high as $1 and drop down to 0.02. You heard that? It's possible because of when sell pressure is high. And if that sell pressure begins to happen and you are at the bottom line with your little allocation, what is going to happen to you is that you will run in at a loss. So it is best off for you to sell if your allocation is too small, and it's advisable for you to sell a little, sell 50% or 70% and leave the rest as a moon bag. You understand? What is a moon bag? Is that cryptocurrency that you keep in expectation that there's going to be an increase in price as far as that particular airdrop that you believe in is that particular token which is already launched that you believe in is concerned. So thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe, and don't forget to find your way down to my Telegram channel so you can join my Telegram channel and participate in different trading activities and participate in everything Web3, because I'm going to be doing another free cryptocurrency Web3 online class in my Telegram channel. Please make sure you subscribe. Thank you.